We all have dreams, desires, and aspirations in life. We want to make a difference, not just for ourselves, but also for our loved ones. We yearn to provide them with a happy and fulfilling life, to see their dreams come true. But how can we achieve all of this within the limited time we have in one single life? That's where I come in to share with you a technique that can make the seemingly impossible possible. My friends, I am thrilled to introduce you to a technique that holds the power to transform your life and help you manifest all your desires. This technique comes from the teachings of Neville Goddard, a renowned authority on manifestation and visualization. In this video, we will dive deep into this technique and explore how it can be effectively used to manifest your dreams. Today's video is not just informative, it's life-changing. So I invite you to stay with me till the end, because understanding and implementing this process is crucial to achieving what you truly desire. During this video, we will reveal the essence of this technique, its principles, and how you can apply it in a practical and effective way. With each step, you will gain valuable insights on how to bring your desires into reality, creating the life you've always dreamed of for yourself and your loved ones. You deserve to live a life of abundance, happiness, and fulfillment. And with Neville Goddard's technique, you hold the key to unlocking that potential. Follow the exact process we discuss, as it holds the power to transform your reality. Together, let's embark on this incredible journey of manifestation and make your dreams a tangible and beautiful reality. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the life-changing content we share on this topic and more. Now, get ready to embrace the power of Neville Goddard's technique. Watch this video till the end and let the magic unfold before your eyes. Remember, your dreams are within reach. Let's make them a reality together. Are you struggling to pass your SATs or achieve your dreams? If so, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will explore the power of using static into sleep, smart, and visualization techniques to unlock your subconscious potential. We will also provide tips and strategies for manifesting your dream home. By drawing on the teachings of Neville Goddard and the law of assumption and law of attraction, you can use these techniques to focus your energy on achieving your goals. You may be surprised to learn that the answer lies in harnessing the power of your subconscious mind. The static into sleep technique is a highly effective method for self-improvement and manifesting desired outcomes. This practice works by accessing the subconscious mind during a slow-wave mental state just before sleep. The concept of using this state to access our subconscious was pioneered by Neville Goddard, whose teachings have since been supported by modern scientific research. According to Goddard, what we believe deep in our subconscious is ultimately reflected in our life outcomes and experiences. Through this technique, we can reprogram our minds with positive affirmations and visualizations that will help us achieve any desired goal or outcome, from better test scores on exams to attracting wealth and success into our lives. When employing this method, it's essential that one has faith and confidence in their abilities. Without it, nothing can be achieved. Some people may find themselves skeptical or resistant to change due to self-image issues. If this is the case, it's important to work on these first before expecting results from the static into sleep technique. With patience, practice, and belief, anything can be achieved. Don't let yourself get discouraged when working towards your goals. Establishing a positive attitude toward yourself is the key to success with this technique, acting as a foundation for unlocking your potential. It means having faith in yourself and in the process, being patient with yourself as well as others. Remember that Rome wasn't built in a day. Additionally, practicing self-affirmations is crucial in creating an environment conducive to success when using SATs. Focus on statements that personally motivate you rather than generic ones. When using SATs, it's helpful to narrow down goals one at a time instead of attempting too many objectives at once. This approach keeps frustration levels low while increasing motivation levels. Choose one goal and stick with it for several weeks before moving on to another goal. Take your time with manifesting your dreams, but be persistent. With patience, focus, and relaxation techniques like this one combined, we can propel ourselves forward towards achieving our goals. No dream is ever too far away if we work for it. Developed by Neville Goddard, this powerful tool is based on the law of assumption and the law of attraction, two principles that state that our thoughts create our reality and manifest it into existence. By using this technique, you can make anything possible in life. From test prep to getting a job promotion, the possibilities are limitless. The SMART technique stands for static into sleep, sis. Plus SATS, a combination of static visualization coupled with affirmations that will help you reach any goal imaginable. First, be specific about what exactly it is that you want to achieve to ignite your passion towards it and stay focused on it until completion. Then take time out every day for 5 minutes or more to practice this technique with unwavering belief for dreams to become reality. Repetition of the technique is essential to manifest desires. To make the repetition process more enjoyable, add new details with each practice. This improves the scene with every repetition. In addition to visualizing the desired outcome, controlling thoughts during the day is necessary to protect against doubt and fear that may sabotage progress. Neville Goddard explains that we must keep our secret within us until sufficient time has passed for our impression to become an expression, leading us closer to our desired result. During this interval, guard against thoughts that contradict our intention. Furthermore, repeating these visualization exercises in a drowsy state before sleep allows positive conscious self-talk throughout the day, keeping goals firmly focused for swift achievement. By following these steps, individuals consistently manifest their dreams and achieve results they never thought attainable. I, like many others, was able to purchase my perfect home after applying these techniques determinedly. Consistent practice with patience and persistence through visualization techniques can help anyone live out their life's dreams and aspirations, even if it feels impossible at first. This section of the video will provide tips and strategies on how to unlock your dreams through visualization and the power of static into sleep. First, let's explore what Neville Goddard says about the law of assumption and the law of attraction. Close your eyes and take time to imagine each detail with all of your senses, making it as vivid as possible. To help reinforce this visualization in your mind, repeat this scene every night before going to sleep while in a drowsy, suggestible state until you fall asleep. After 3 weeks following these steps, major shifts will start happening in opportunities that lead towards achieving the goal of owning a dream home. Manifestation isn't something that happens overnight, but rather something built over time. Reminding yourself daily and focusing on what you want is key. Surround yourself with positive encouragement from friends or family members. Stay focused on what matters most and follow through with taking necessary steps towards completing goals set forth. Believe that everything happens for a reason. Sometimes things may seem uncertain, but trust that there's always an end result if we strive hard enough. As we conclude this video here, I would like to thank each one of you for watching this video till the end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey. Goodbye until we meet in our next video.